Uwupheka kanjani-ke ummbila? Mina ngisawubilisi, sengivele nje ngincibilikise irama in a pan, bese ngiwufaka, ngiyincibilikise irama uma ngiqeda ukuyincibilikisa bese ngihlisa umlilo ngiwufake on a slow cook. If you are somebody who loves salt, you can just vuvuvu i-garlic soak or i-salt. Mina-ke ngiye ngithi vuvuvu kancane i-aromat, bese ngiyawuvala, ngiloke ngiwuphenduphendula, uze ushe-ke, uze ushe ube bovu njengalo esihleze sidle ema-restaurant sichazeke ukuthi bawenza kanjani. Lalela, never boiled. Never boiled, not boiled. By English. Never ever boil your maize meal again because it tastes better and you enjoy it much better when you just cook it in a pan, melt your rama, keep on tossing and turning. If you love the griller or you love to use a stove to bake, you can just toast this on a baking pan, drizzle with a rama on top or with a butter. Buka ukuthi usubovu kamnandi kanjani. Ngeke usinike singaboni, ungawudla wonke same time uqede. Lalela, enjoy my cooking because I'm gonna come back with more cooking tips, house tips, recipes, restaurant reviews. Stay tuned. I love you.